This is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service. Flash freeze possible early Friday morning. Temperatures will rapidly fall below freezing from west to east early Friday morning. This will begin around 3 a.m. along the I-75 corridor in northwest Ohio, with all of northern Ohio and northwest Pennsylvania expected to be below freezing by 6 a.m. Roads, bridges, parking lots, sidewalks, and other untreated surfaces that are still wet from rain and snowmelt may freeze, leading to patches of black ice. Plan on giving yourself extra time to reach your destination during the Friday morning commute. Use caution while walking on untreated sidewalks, stairs, and parking lots.